Did you know that certain foods can provide more vitamins and minerals than a whole bottle of multivitamins? Some of them are packed with nutrients that your body craves. Eating nutrient-rich foods can have a huge impact on our overall health and well-being. With so many options available, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why we're excited to share with you 7 foods that can boost your health in a big way. These foods are not only delicious, but they are also packed with vitamins and minerals that can help support a healthy lifestyle. From leafy greens to vibrant fruits, these foods are the real MVPs of the nutrition world. They can help support everything from energy levels to immune function and even heart health. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can say goodbye to relying on multivitamins and hello to a healthier, happier you. So let's dive in and explore the amazing benefits of these 7 foods. You'll be surprised at just how powerful they are when it comes to supporting your overall health. The first food on our list is spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. It's also incredibly versatile. You can add it to smoothies, sauté it with garlic as a side dish, or even use it as a base for salads. One of the reasons spinach outshines multivitamins is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. By eating spinach regularly, you can help keep your cells healthy and strong. Spinach is also an amazing source of iron, which is essential for healthy red blood cells. Without enough iron, we can feel tired, weak, and even develop anemia. So make sure to add some spinach to your meals to keep your energy levels boosted. The amazing thing about spinach is that it's also very easy to incorporate into your daily meals. You can add it to your favorite recipes or even use it as a topping for your favorite dishes. The second food on our list is salmon. This fatty fish is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Omega-3s have been shown to lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and even help alleviate symptoms of depression. Salmon is also an excellent source of protein, making a great option for those looking to boost their muscle mass. And with its high vitamin D content, salmon can help support bone health too. One of the unique properties of salmon is its ability to reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and even cancer. By eating salmon regularly, you can keep inflammation under control. In addition to its numerous health benefits, salmon is also incredibly delicious and easy to prepare. You can grill it, bake it, or even make it sushi. The options are endless. The third food on our list is sweet potatoes. These vibrant spuds are packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and fiber, making them a nutritional powerhouse. They're also incredibly versatile. You can bake them, mash them, or even make them into fries. Sweet potatoes are a great source of antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage. They're also an amazing source of fiber, which can help support healthy digestion and even promote feelings of fullness. One of the reasons sweet potatoes should be a staple in your diet is their ability to support healthy blood sugar levels. Unlike white potatoes, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, which means they won't cause a spike in blood sugar. The fiber content in sweet potatoes is also amazing for healthy gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for a strong immune system, and sweet potatoes can help support it. The fourth food on our list is avocados. These creamy fruits are a rich source of healthy fats, fiber, and various essential vitamins and minerals. They're also incredibly versatile. You can use them in smoothies, salads, or even as a topping for toast. Avocados are a great source of monounsaturated fats, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They're also an amazing source of fiber, which can help support healthy digestion. One of the nutritional highlights of avocados is their high vitamin E content. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage and supports healthy skin. Avocados are also amazing for eye health. They're a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that can help protect the eyes against damage and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. The fifth food on our list is almonds. These crunchy nuts are a rich source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a satisfying snack. They're also packed with vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. Almonds have a number of advantages when it comes to health. They're a great source of antioxidants which help protect our cells from damage. They're also an amazing source of magnesium, which can help support healthy blood pressure and even promote better sleep. One of the reasons almonds compare favorably to traditional multivitamin supplements is their high content of healthy fats. These fats can help support heart health and even promote feelings of fullness. In addition to their numerous health benefits, Almonds are also incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. You can snack on them, add them to oatmeal or yogurt, or even use them as a topping for salads. The sixth food on our list is fermented foods, such as kimchi and sauerkraut. These foods are rich in probiotics, which can help support healthy gut bacteria. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K and calcium. Fermented foods have a number of health benefits, including supporting immune function and even promoting better digestion. They're also an amazing source of antioxidants, which can help protect our cells from damage. One of the reasons fermented foods are often overlooked is that they're not as well known as some other health foods. However, they're incredibly powerful when it comes to supporting overall health. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet can have a big impact on your gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for a strong immune system, and fermented foods can help support it. The seventh food on our list is blueberries. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and various essential vitamins and minerals. They're also incredibly versatile. You can add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or even blend them into smoothies. Blueberries have a number of powerful health benefits, including supporting heart health and even promoting better cognitive function. They're also an amazing source of fiber, which can help support healthy digestion. One of the reasons blueberries deserve a place in your meals is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to chronic diseases. Blueberries are also amazing for eye health. They're a rich source of anthocyanins, which can help protect the eyes against damage and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. In summary, these 7 foods are nutrition powerhouses that can have a big impact on our overall health. From spinach to blueberries, each food offers a unique set of benefits that can help support a healthy lifestyle. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can say goodbye to relying on multivitamins and hello to a healthier, happier you. They're not only delicious, but they're also packed with vitamins and minerals that can help support everything from energy levels to immune function. The best part is that these foods are easy to find and incorporate into your daily meals. Whether you're a busy professional or a health enthusiast, these foods can help you achieve your health goals. So make sure to add these foods to your shopping list and start experiencing the amazing benefits for yourself. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite health food? Do you have a go-to recipe or snack that you just can't get enough of? Let us know in the comments below. If you're looking for more health tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. We've got a whole library of content dedicated to helping you live your best life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Also, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.